my random thought of the day is inspired by a video. Again, I'm on social media, so I see people giving their 2 cents on topics. One thing I've noticed, I don't know if you've noticed this as well, RJ. Smoke detectors going beep in the background
Yeah, I have, yeah, yeah.
with low batteries. People, people. Ah, man. Please find yourself a ladder and change the battery. I cannot. I don't know. Are people tone deaf or are you guys deaf? Can't you hear the stuff? I don't
Yeah.
understand how you can sit at home with the smoke detector telling you or making that sound and you keep recording the video. I mean, I don't know. I don't know how you can do it. Um, I'll keep it short. I'll keep it short.
Well, Kevin,
Please.
well, Kevin Samuels used to say that that's often a sign that a woman doesn't have a man.
I was trying to keep it short. I didn't want to go that route. I
I'm
didn't
just,
want to.
I'm just saying,
I'm
I'm just
just
saying,
well. You're opening that door.
because not
I might want to walk through it. You don't want me to walk through that door. By the way, guys, it's not only women. I'll tell you right now. It's not only women. Maybe those guys might need to. Maybe they're into something else. They might find. They might need to find a man themselves. But um, I'm not gonna walk through that wall. That's why I said I'm gonna keep it short.
Yeah, I was
Because
just,
if I walk through that door,
but you know,
I
come
don't know
on,
what I'm
come
gonna
on,
say.
come on. I had to, I had to, I had to, I had. I mean,
Please, ladies, find yourself a handyman or
yeah,
guys, because there's also guys as well. There's even more
yeah,
heartbreaking hearing a guy talking to the smoke detector going
yeah.
on.
But we're living in 2022, so the rules aren't as clear as they used to be.
That's
So
why I said find
I would,
yourself a man guy.
I would go one step further as well. I would say encourage, encourage your man to do it as well, because sometimes when you when you when you when I see the generation after ours, the 20, 22, 24 year olds,
Yeah,
none of them can do anything. So
sad.
there was a time where the one could cook, the other is handy. And now, because you have the freedom to do whatever you want, most people can't do anything. So they can't cook, they can't build a hut, they can't hunt. We're screwed as a human, as humanity, if something should go down.
And you will be screwed if there is fire in your house because your smoke detector does.
And
You're a
and
fried chicken.
and and EW will probably blame it on Trump because
You end up
EW.
as a fried
Shut
chicken.
up,
So
EW. Where there's smoke,
please,
there's fire. Yeah,
where
yeah.
there's
That's
smoke,
probably.
there's fire,
Yeah,
and your smoke detector isn't working. So
yeah, yeah, yeah,
please,
yeah,
I don't have anything to say.
yeah,
Please,
yeah.
please change it.